resonate with the warrior vibration in my blueprint. Hey everybody, I'm Gandharva, and welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations for Tuesday. Tuesday is Warrior Day. Every day has a different vibration. Every day we vibrate a little differently inside of us. As above, so below. Today, we are all vibrating a little more with the warrior. So it's an intense day. Tuesdays, it's not like Saturday. Saturday is all inward and quiet and alone. And Tuesday is like, hey, here I am. Woo! Hey, let's party. Every vibration, every personality, every archetype has its own way of dealing with the moment. It's important for all of us to be in the moment. And the warrior has its own way of being in the moment, which means being prepared for anything to happen. Not pre-thinking, not thinking about, what I'm going to do if something happens, or, it's just, this happens and this response. Quicker than that, actually. No thought. There's no thought in the moment for the warrior. It's pure awareness. Right now. Let's hear what this great book, the Hagakure, has to say about being in the moment, warrior being in the moment. There is surely nothing other than the single purpose of the present moment. A man's whole life is a succession of moment after moment. If one fully understands the present moment, there will be nothing else to do and nothing else to pursue. Live being true to the single purpose of the moment. Everyone lets the present moment slip by and then looks for it as though he thought it was somewhere else. No one seems to have noticed this fact. But, grasping this firmly, one must pile experience upon experience. And once one has come to this understanding, he will be a different person from that point on, though he may not always bear it in mind. When one understands this settling into single-mindedness well, his affairs will thin out. Loyalty is also contained within this single-mindedness. Be true to the thought of the moment and avoid distraction. Other than continuing to exert yourself, enter into nothing else, but go to the extent of living single thought by single thought. This is what we do as musicians too, as improvising musicians. Moment to moment. If we're really improvising, nothing thought out in advance. Oh, I'm going to play this, or I know this will fit here. No. It's what I do here every day. I don't know what I'm going to play, except I have an interval of the day that I play off of. But I don't know what I'm going to do regarding that interval. I have no idea. I don't think about it. My hands just go there. And there was no greater improvising musician than the great Charles Mingus, bass player, who was a spiritual warrior. He had the warrior in the spiritual part of his blueprint. He was fierce. Oh, he would never back down. He was just, boom, fiery. What a fiery presence he had. So listen to some of his music today as an example of the warrior spirit, and try to be in each moment, not thinking about what you're going to do next.